Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and say hi to all Macross fans because I got here the Hasegawa REGULT 172 scale, and this is one of my curiosity to buy. To be honest, I don't like antagonist model kits, but since I got hooked with the antagonist kits lately, I included the REGULT in my collection for the Macross lines. And there we go. Let's check this REGULT model kit and let's see what this Hasegawa plastic model kit has to offer us collectors from those kits. Box art here shows the REGULT standard type, and this is a very cool kit, and it reminds me of it's like a Star Wars model or Star Wars kind of ship, and very odd looking model kit, but for me this is very unique and very cool to pose with your traditional style of Gunpla model kits along with your Gunpla model kits. And again, we got to see the side of the box, the front view, the rear view, and this resting stance, and some articulating pose or gimmicks for this kit, which is very cool. And from the other side of the box, we can see some animated clips there from the Macross series. Okay, so there, Lin Min Mie, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, as we open the box now, we can see the parts packages. So we got this white parts, gray parts, and this bluish, some ash blue colored part here. And we got to see this one hell of a pack plastic here for these gray parts and white parts. And we got this clear parts for the action base and poly caps, and these red pieces here for the clear red pieces. And we got this water slide eagles. So these are alien alphabets. So I forgot which kind of the name of the alien race this enemies are, but I got to see this very cool looking water slide eagles here. I might use this with my other kits since I really like the unique characters for that. This is very unique, and the reason why I bought this kit is because of these decals. Okay, and there we got to see the instruction manual. So the instruction manual here says REGULT standard type, and if we open the manual, you can see the parts list here and the process of assembling this kit, which is very cool. And this breaks the traditional style of building kits, since this is not a humanoid form just like the Gundam kits. So I might enjoy building this kit. Okay, so there we go. We got to see how this is done, and this is not so hard to build. This is a beginner friendly kit, and we got to see the decal placement there. So it's very easy to understand and do. Okay, so there, very cool. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner B for this circular parts here, and we got this gray parts here, runner S, and another runner S. So we got two sets of runner S. Then we got this grayish blue colored runner, which is the runner Z. For these white runners here, we got the runner G. So we got two sets of this runner. Okay, then we got this white parts here, runner A. Then for the gray parts inner frame, I presume this is runner R, and runner T and runner U. Then we got another set of runner T and runner U parts here. And for the polycaps, we got this kind of gray polycaps. We got two sets of this. We got this red, clear red parts, runner CC. And finally, we got this runner S1 for the action base stand, clear action base stand. And it reminds me of the action base from the Crusher Joe model kit from Hasegawa, of course. So there, let's build this kit once and for all. And so we got the finished product of the Regult from Hasegawa, this 172 scale. And there's nothing much with this kit since this is just, a bipedal thing here. So it reminds me of the ball from the Gundam series. And the only thing that makes this kit move is the feet here. So we got this kind of ostrich like legs, and there are articulation, of course, for this thing. So we got to move this talon here, and it can rotate as well, this one, but it's a bit tight because of the polycaps that is used on this thing. So if I ever move this polycap here, it will get loose, and I got no spare for that. And for the knees, somehow it can fold like that, and also this one can fold there, this one. So it's like an ostrich leg, by the way. And the only thing that this kit has to offer is to pose it like this on a standing pose. So nothing more to be expected for this kit, since this is just a bipedal thing that is being a grunt suit for the Macross enemies. So there we go. You can only stand like this, but this is a bit tall for its size, even though it looks like stupid. It is a tall kit. I really like the decals here. It's very unique. So it's an alien style of alphabet like that. It's very simple. I really like the simplicity of the design of this one. It can be a nice piece in your arsenal, since this is a different kind of mecha thing. And of course, we can compare it with the 172 scale Macross thing also. So we got here this Siegfried, and there Siegfried is somehow same height with this Regult here. So this is a Bandai version, Bandai 172 scale. And we got here the Hasegawa, and I got here my Wave Corporation model kit. And this is the, I forgot the name of this kit. Anyway, this is also a Macross grunt from the Earth Union. And there we go. So Earth defense are shorter than the Regult. And these are the Macross thing that I have. And I don't have the Valkyrie here because I sent it to Germany. So there we go. Got all the Macross cast. And if we're going to compare it with other kits that I have, so let's compare it with the average size of 1/100 scale kit. I got here the Ban model for the Astray. So there, this Regult is still taller than the average size 1/100 scale model kit. And if we're going to compare it with another Wave model kit here, Wave X Academy. So there we got this 172 scale of Promaxis under grunt suit here. So there we go. Regult is still taller than those kit, and let's compare it with 148 scale model from this one from Power Dolls. So this Power Doll here, 148 scale, it's still shorter than the Regult of Hasegawa. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review of this Regult from Macross. There you go. I should make him go forward here, like that. So this is the Regult from Hasegawa. Is it a nice buy? Is it a worth buying? Yes, this is, because it's a very unique kit, very easy to assemble, beginner friendly kit, and you'll surely love this. So see you next time. Goodbye, God bless, take care.